Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So we are in Portmore, so stay tuned for today's video. Alright guys, so this is where we are today. So we're at the G-Tech Park in Portmore, St. Catherine. So this is a 3.5 billion Jamaican dollars development where they're building 3 of these buildings. So building 1 is finished and is occupied. Building number 2, which is being blocked by that tree, is almost finished, and then they'll be building a 3rd building in that space right there. So we've done quite a few videos on this development before. So this is a BPO park, a call center park. It's called the G-Tech Park, being developed at a cost of 3.5 billion Jamaican dollars. And we're just taking an update look on it. Of course, we'll set up the drone as well, so you guys definitely stay tuned for some drone shots, and I'll definitely put the link for the older videos in the comments so you guys can see where this development is coming from. So G-Tech Park, Portmore, building 1, 2 and 3. 1 is finished and occupied, 2 is almost finished, and they haven't started on building number 3 as yet. Beside it as well is a mega plaza, which you're gonna get some shots of too, especially when we set up the drone. The plaza is 4 to 5 floors, so in some instances 5 floors, in some instances 4 floors, and it's right beside this development. This area, Portmore Pines, is being developed very rapidly. A lot of development in this area. We know that Price Mart is around the corner. We know that Fontana is building a pharmacy and business complex around the corner as well, which you guys will see in another video. So this video is really covering these BPO and the plaza. Is the mega plaza right here. I like the color. They have some beautiful lights as well. If I'm able to get some night shots when the lights are on, I'll definitely do that for you guys. Alright, so from the drone shot we'll see the plaza much better. It's not very wide, but it's very long, so from a different angle you guys will see it much better as well. So G-Tech Park, Portmore, lots of development. We know Price Mart is just around the corner. And then from the drone you guys will be able to see better shots as well. So right here is the Municipal Boulevard. I have this country club over here. I think this would be a good investment based on the development happening in this area. And then behind these construction you have the Silverstone community. So that's another nice community to invest in because of the development in the area as well. So we'll be setting up the drone shortly, so you guys stay tuned for some drone shots. Mega plaza. And then after the mega plaza you have an empty lot and then 2 buildings up, which is the G-Tech Park call center. The tenant on the first building is Ibex. They have an complex down the road as well on the Braeton Parkway. Alright guys, let's jump into some drone shots. So stay tuned, and thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing in advance. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like, remember to share your comments, and remember to share as well. Alright, let's move into some drone shots.